In this class, we are going to discuss about logic family like NAND gate, NOR gate and all. So here we are going to discuss some more logic circuit like DTL, that is the diode transistor logic, TTL, RTL, PMOS, NMOS and all this. So in digital electronics or any electronic subject, we hear this word DTL, TTL, CMOS, emitter coupled logic, that is the ECL, and these are very important and regularly we hear this word. So all these are digital logic families. So logic family are characterized into two. First one is the bipolar and second is the unipolar logic. So now you know that the bipolar element we are having is BJT, that is a transistor, NPN or PNP. So whereas in unipolar, you can see in unipolar the current direction correct is in one direction. So like FET, field effect transistor, we are having MOSFETs for unipolar. You can observe the direction of current is in one direction. That's why here MOSFET, CMOS, NMOS and PMOS are the direction of current is in one direction. So again, for the bipolar logic family is again divided into two parts. First one is the saturated mode and second one is the non-saturated. So under the saturated we are having RTL, that is the resistor transistor logic, and second one is the TCTL, and that is the direct coupled transistor logic. Okay, and there is one IIL, which is also called in I square L. Okay, so this is the I square L, that is called as integrated injection logic, I square L circuit. Okay, so there is one more, that is the DTL, that is the diode transistor logic, and there is another logic, that is the transistor logic, TTL, and there is STL also. IIL is also called I square L. Okay, so we are having RTL, DCTL, IIL, DTL, TTL and STL here. So TTL is very often we listen this word transistor logic in our various subjects, electronic subject. And there is one more, that is the non-saturated mode. So in the non-saturated mode is there is Schottky TTL and emitter coupled logic, that is the ECL. And the unipolar is divided into PMOS. The meaning of PMOS is P-channel metal oxide semiconductors, N-channel metal oxide semiconductor, and complementary metal oxide semiconductor is the CMOS here. So in this way, this tree diagram is important for exam, competitive exam point of view. If examiner want to ask a theory question, he can ask question like DCTL comes under. There may be four options. DCTL comes under. First option may be saturated. Second is unsaturated. Third one is unipolar, and fourth one is none of this. So can you usually remember by this tree diagram that direct coupled resistor logic, that is the DCTL, is a saturation mode. So if you know this tree diagram, you can easily give answer that DCTL comes under the saturated logic family. Okay. So after next class, I will discuss each and every logic gate starting from the RTL, DCTL, I square L, DTL. So thank you.